Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the modem shows an online light. This rules out an ISP outage. Once done, unplug the router power cord and remove any backup battery for 30 seconds. This performs a hardware reset that clears transient errors. Make sure to label or photograph each cable so you can reconnect precisely. This saves time. While the device is offline, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings so you can watch status changes as the router restarts. Once the modem is back online, reconnect and power the router. Power the modem first and wait about 2 minutes, then power the router to ensure proper DHCP lease. You need to inspect LEDs for power, internet/WAN, and band indicators. Their colors explain the fault. Next, log into the router web UI or official app to read error messages and check firmware version. Because outdated firmware, or a stale DHCP, lease often causes red light errors. If the web UI shows issues, perform a soft restart from settings first. Make sure to back up your config. Once you apply updates and reboot, verify connectivity on 2 devices to confirm resolution. If the red light persists, perform a factory reset only after saving settings, because that restores defaults and often clears firmware corruption. Finally, if problems continue, contact your ISP with the steps you took. This helps them isolate line versus router hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.